Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we discuss cube root of unity. Let x be the cube root of unity. Example, x is equal to 1 whole power 1 over 3. This implies x cube is equal to 1. After that, this become x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Now using formula a cube, using formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Therefore, x cube minus 1 can be written as x whole cube minus 1 whole cube. Now this is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now which implies x is equal to 1 and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 can be solved by using quadratic formula. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. Now using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac or 2a. Now putting values in this formula, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus and b is equal to 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Now this is equal to minus 1 plus minus plus over minus. Here this is equal to 1 minus 4, this becomes minus 3 divided by 2. Now after that, minus 1 plus over minus and square root minus 3 is equal to square root 3 into iota divided by